Hello everyone, so I'm in my makeup room today and I just wanted to share with you some skincare that I've started to use. Now, I went to see Francis at FTT clinics last week. I was getting a treatment done, and it's all very well getting treatments done, but when you're not doing the simplest of things, you know, it's not great. You really need to be helping yourself as well as getting these treatments. So I was using zero skincare. When I say zero, I was obviously using a cleanser and a moisturiser, but nothing really worthwhile, I have to say. It was just the very basics. And at 51, I should know better and I should be looking after my skin properly. So that is what I'm about to do. That's what I'm going to start doing. So I'm going to show you what I got and what Francis has given me to use. Now this is FTT Clinic's own brand. It's all their own skincare and it's amazing. It's a prescribed skincare, you can't buy it over the counter. And the reason for that is because the ingredients in these products are too strong. It has to be controlled. Which is why sometimes when you buy over the counter products you get disappointed. You spend a lot of money, don't really see results, because they don't have the active ingredients in them to really do the job. They may say they might list them, but they can be in such small doses that it doesn't really make that much of a difference. So let's go in to see what we have first. The first thing is a cleanser, and this cleanser is called Prepare. Now you would just use this how you would use any old cleanser. It's like a face wash, it's not like a cream cleanser you take off with the cotton wool, it is a wash off. So massage this in, it takes off your eye makeup as well, and rinse off. Quite simple, easy enough, takes a couple of minutes and you're done. Second one is, this is called Reveal, same size of bottle. Now this is a gel type formula as well, but it is an actual chemical exfoliant. So you massage it into your skin after cleansing and then leave it. I do other things like, I don't know, brush my teeth, go and get ready for bed, whatever, but just let it sit in your skin for 5 minutes at least, and let it do its job, because it's chemical exfoliant. I kind of describe chemical exfoliants a little bit like Pac-Man. If you can imagine them eating, coming along and kind of eating away at the dead skin cells, it works a bit like that. Now if this was daytime, the next up would be my C10, which is a vitamin C serum. Now this is great stuff. Vitamin C is great for brightening, great for redness, and great for dark spots on the skin, or skin damage, whatever you want to call it. You put this on daily like a serum, simple enough. And then absolute essential product from there is your SPF, which is your Prime and Protect SPF 30. That's vital that every single one of us is using that every single day. Now if you look outside today, it is dull for July. It's cloudy and dull, and you would think you don't need an SPF, but you actually do. It's not the heat of the sun that does the damage to your skin, it's the rays that penetrate into the dermis of your skin and cause problems there. So you have to block them out, there's no two ways about it. The rays, those damaging rays even penetrate through glass. So think about sitting in your car and going for a journey, that could be an hour's exposure. And it's what ages our skin. So that's it for during the day, and then in the evening, cleanse again, takes off my makeup, and then I'm going to put on my retinol serum. This is the magic stuff. Retinol is an anti-aging product. You may see it in some products over the counter, but it won't have enough to do any real, make any real difference. Now you want to start on a kind of mild retinol and you build up the strength. That's because your skin has to build a tolerance to it. Retinol does everything. It strengthens your skin, it stimulates your collagen and elastin, and you know, as you know, that is, when that breaks down as we age, that is what gives us the signs of aging on our skin. Loss of firmness and fine lines and wrinkles. I should say that the Prime and Protect, the SPF 30, is also an amazing primer for makeup. So yeah, 5 steps. It looks a lot, but it isn't, because you're not putting them on all together twice a day.